From Latin street fare crafted by hand to a dairy that's dedicated to doing things the way Grandma did, Heritage Hen Farm harkens back to the days of the milkman, making deliveries door to door. Marty, you're dressed like some throwback character from a bygone era. Explain to me what I'm looking at here.
Well, this is the delivery van, the milk van. We pack these coolers up with the milk and the cream and the products.
You're delivering me fresh milk to my house. What time do you start this?
We go through the night. We go, it's guaranteed on the doorstep by 7 a.m.
So you're like a milk Santa Claus. Like you don't, people don't really see you, right?
I never thought, yeah, well, with doorbell cameras today, I give a little tip of the hat.
Oh, you do? Am I gonna get to experience your life?
If you're ready.
I'm ready. Okay. I want to deliver some milk.
Time to deliver.
Time to deliver, let's do it. All right.
Okay, here we are.
Okay. Lisa.
All right.
Oh, okay, yeah. Do I get? Oh man.
Those were. Oh, hey, Lisa.
Hey there. Look what I just brought you.
Oh, yay.
Isn't this exciting?
I'm so excited. Thank you.
What made you start to go with the fresh raw milk from him?
Well, I think it's the healthy way to go.
Well, thanks for having us over. Really appreciate it. Yeah.
And even my dogs, you know, Marty is so good that the dogs don't even disturb me when he comes.
I try to be as quiet as I can. I actually come from the side a little bit and it's just quiet because you don't want to wake people up. Thank you, Lisa. Always nice to see you. You
Look
too.
at you.
Okay.
Thanks. We'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Wow. So that's got to feel good, right? We're ready for our next delivery?
We're ready. Here we go. All right.
Let's do it.
And here we are. Two of them.
You got two? Oh, she's
Well, for her friend and
Wow.
for everybody. It's for the people.
Sure, it's for the people. Here's your milk.
Gosh, this is great. Oh my gosh, you brought the nectar.
Right. We have.
This
Look at that.
is the nectar. This
Chocolate.
is the tree.
Wow. Wow. Huh? Oh, wow.
Thank you so much. Thank you. All right.
See ya.
See you later. See you.
Fantastic.
See, the people love it.
Oh my gosh, you're just bringing joy everywhere you go.
Yes, that's what I do.
Smiles.
Yeah, it's easy.
Right?